Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix the situation if you have no basic or already shared correspondences in Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel, also put likes, write comments. And let's get to our topic. So, now I want to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to switch to my other camera now. When you go to Instagram, and then you go to correspondence, you can have, like me, you can have like basic and general posts, and you can choose between them. You can also move, for example, from main correspondence to general correspondence. If you don't have this function, and your messages look like this, like I have here, there's only one indication that you're currently using a private or personal Instagram account. And I'm going to show you now how you can fix this situation. First of all, you'll need to go to your account, and then click on the three bars. Then Settings and Privacy. This is where you scroll down until you find the Professional section. And here's Account Type and Tools. You click on that, and you'll need to switch to the Professional account. What is this for? In order to expand a little bit of customization in Instagram, in order to add different types of your correspondence with people and learn more about the stats in Instagram and other settings. So, you choose to switch to a professional account. Next, you agree to it at all? You don't worry, it's completely free. Next, you can choose which section of the professional account you want. For example, you're a photographer, or you're a video, or you're a gaming, or you're a blogger, musician, artist, and so on and so forth. I'll leave it at photo. Next thing you do is you click. You just agree to everything that Instagram will write to you. And as you can see, instantly it's immediately obvious that you've switched to a professional account, because on your account, on your page, there's this window that says professional, and also with statistics of visits to your page. And now you have to go back to your main Instagram page. You can refresh it. Go to the conversations. As you can see, now we've got them updated. And we've got both the basic and general types of conversations. And now you can move them around and do what you want with them. So this is how you can fix things if you're missing the basic and general correspondence options on Instagram. I hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.